this guard off. That's the wrong tool. That's not gonna work. I'm just gonna put everything on a bucket right next to us. I don't lose it. I'm pretty good at losing stuff. Alright, everything's exposed. What the what? This guy was so loose, look at that. Holy shit. Damn, that was finger tight. Oh no. Well, it's a good thing I'm doing this, I guess, huh? That would have been a problem later on. Whoever did this before didn't bend this down to hold that nut in place. I mean, they did a shitty job at bending it. Wow. Not good. I mean, look at that. Got half a bend out of it. Alrighty, then. Alrighty. Let's see here. Loosen this guy up. Okay, on the side. Yeah, this is boring to watch this shit. Fast forward. Okay, that looks loose enough. All right, hey, lucky I made it back with that crap. Alrighty. Alright, that's the new one. So you can tell the difference. Big difference. Okay. Oh, that's right, I was going to change the chain, right? Maybe I should do that. Yeah, maybe I should do that. Chain look. Yeah, do this the scientific way. I'm getting this chain off. My trusty guy over here. And it doesn't work. Okay. Well, that means one of two things. It's not plugged in, or it's broken. It's plugged in. Good. That's how you do it when you don't have the right tools. The redneck way. before. I'll go for that. Oh, it's cold in here. Wow. Okay. Ho ho, don't tell the hippies. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Pretty greasy. That thing is filthy. I think I gotta take this thing in for a wash. A nice scrub down. Everything looks good. Alrighty. So I think that Countershaft Sprocket cost me 26 bucks. They had cheaper ones for like 14, 15 bucks. But I wanted everything with the dampers on and the proper OEM deal. I'm gonna use that same ring. Guy didn't chew it up too much before me. We will see if I can make that work. Okay. Let's get this guy back on. Crank that too tight. I don't want too loose either. So let's do a little bit of magic here. Hey, get over here, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, where's my flat side? He didn't get it. We didn't get the flat side. Lock the guy right in there. I like it. I like it. It's flat. I don't think it's going to be rolling off now. Yeah. All right, next, chain. All right, I'm back. Let's take a break. Let's put the chain together. A master link. Pretty simple. These ones are a little tight because they're they got those O-rings on them. Oh, in this case, it's an X ring. Just pop them on. Nice and secure. All right. And then we'll go to the rear. What I want to do is spin this and get it on the, get it around to that so I can actually work on it. All right, let's move so you can see what's going on there. All right, this clip has to go in, it is directional. You want to put it in with a closed end in direction of where the chain's going. So in this case, like that, it's going that way. You don't want to have a stick come up and hit it and knock it loose. If it was like that, it would pop right out. All right, this is going to be a little tricky because everything's so tight with those O-rings. My little trick is to get a vice grip on it so I got some leverage with that screwdriver. Oh, there we go. Come on. I never met one of these that are easy to do, especially with those rings on there. There it is. Now we're going to make certain that that actually made the groove. Okay. A little squishy action. And that is beautiful. All done. Now we can button everything up.